So, we have done Rutherford's alpha ray scattering experiment, in which we have studied about the nucleus and electrons. You know, we can say we have studied about the atomic model or atomic size as well by using the distance of closest approach. So, we can conclude that according to Rutherford, every atom consists of a tiny core which is positively charged and called nucleus. Entire mass of the atom is concentrated at the nucleus. And now, size of the nucleus is around 10 raised to power minus 15 meter. So, after that, and also Rutherford suggested that the electrons revolve around the nucleus in the definite orbit, that is a circular orbit, like planets revolve around the sun, and each and every atom is electrically neutral. It means each and every atom consists of equal number of electrons and protons. So, these were the essential features of Rutherford's atomic model. Now, we will calculate the energy of the revolving electron. So, first we will take the hydrogen atom. Suppose there is a hydrogen atom which has got positive charge, one positive charge only here, and an electron revolve at the distance r in a circular orbit. Electron charge of electron is this negative and the radius is r. So, why does electron revolve around the nucleus? You know, there is electrostatic force of attraction between the nucleus and electron, because this is positively charged, this is negatively charged. So, we can write electrostatic force of attraction F E is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught into E divided by r square. This is electrostatic force of repulsion. And now, when this electron revolve, it has centripetal force is acting, which is coming due to electrostatic force of attraction. So, centripetal force can be written mv square upon r, where m is mass of electron and v is velocity of electron, r is the radius of the orbit. So, these two forces are equal. So, we can write mv square upon r is equal to E square upon 4 pi epsilon naught r square. This r will get cancelled. So, we can get mv square is equal to E square upon 4 pi epsilon naught r. Now, we can write, this is mv square we have got, we can get kinetic energy by dividing by 2 both the sides. So, we can write here now the kinetic energy of electron is equal to half mv square is equal to E square upon 8 pi epsilon naught r. This is the kinetic energy of the revolving electron. Now, after getting kinetic energy, we can get electrostatic potential energy of the electron also. So, electrostatic potential energy, that is P E is equal to, we can write minus E into E divided by 4 pi epsilon naught r, that is minus E square upon 4 pi epsilon naught r. Now, we can get the total energy of the revolving electron, that is coming E is equal to kinetic energy plus potential energy. So, that can be written E square upon 8 pi epsilon naught r minus E square upon 4 pi epsilon naught r. When we solve it, we can get minus E square upon 8 pi epsilon naught r. This is total energy. So, total energy of the revolving electron around the nucleus in hydrogen atom is coming out to be minus E square upon 8 pi epsilon naught r. This negative sign indicates that the electrons are bound to the nucleus. So, here this is the total energy of the orbiting electrons.